In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google AI Studio's login error. Welcome back to a new video on Howgenic. If you're having issues logging in to your Google AI Studios, let me show you the few things that you can try out. Now, the way that you log into your Google AI Studios is simply by opening up a web browser, preferably Google Chrome. As long as you have a Google Chrome web browser and have a Google account, you can just search for Google AI Studios, and once you open up this link, you'll be straight away logged in. However, if you're using a different web browser other than Google Chrome, you'll need to log into your Google account. Now, if you're having issues reaching this page, what you can try out is try clearing the cache of your web browser. You can do that by clicking on the three-dotted line on the right hand side, head over to settings on the bottom, and then head over to privacy and security. Privacy and security, you'll see delete browsing data. Make sure all three of these are selected and at least last 7 days are selected. Once you select these, you can click on delete data. This way you're going to get logged out of your Google account as well. So make sure you log in back to your Google account by typing in your credentials, and you can head over to Google AI Studios. You should be able to fix the login error. Now, if the login error still persists, what you can do is try using a different browser. If you're currently using Google Chrome, try switching to a different browser. So open up a different web browser of your choice and then open up the Google AI Studios. Through this process as well, if you're having issues with your previous web browser, you can try using a different web browser to log into your Google AI Studios. Now, if you've done both of these steps and you're still having this issue, what you can now do is just wait out a few hours before the issue is solved. Sometimes when you're having these issues, the best thing you can do is just wait out until the issue is solved by their end. So once you do these 3 steps, you should be able to log in back to your Google's AI Studios. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.